'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
Oh my God, wow. Little photo shoot going on back there. Welcome, and this will be a mini vlog, I'm sure. Doing a little monorail crawl maybe. So we're starting off at the Grand Floridian. We're gonna check into the Enchanted Rose, have some drinks and have some appetizers and just hang out together. Just a quick peek at the menu. They do have some great little bites to eat. We usually get the croquettes and then obviously the truffle fries, but we've gotten the crab dip before. That was good. I think we've gotten the flatbread before, right? That was good. Featured cocktails. Michael always gets the old-fashioned. And then I'm getting the espresso martini, and he actually recommended to put like Bailey's in it, or you can do a Chambord, but yeah, I like Bailey's, a little creamier. And of course, beer and wine and champagne. Oh, and some mocktails too. Yeah, for 3 or 4 of us. I forget which one. I think the Garden Spritzer is what the boys got last time as a beverages without alcohol, and they liked it. Or, oh no, it was a rosemary cooler actually, this one. So he just brought us our drinks, and this looks amazing. I don't remember that being in your drink before. Is that a new addition?
No, usually they have ours.
Oh, okay.
I'm not the biggest fan.
No? I like having a little bit of citrus, but yeah. All right. The sticks?
No.
Oh, the olives?
Cherries.
Oh, the cherries. Oh. Cheers. That is tasty. If I ever figure out how to make these at home, I'm going to be dangerous. I know it is easy, but it's probably better that I don't make them at home, so I'm not like...
You make them with decaf.
Yeah, but I never have trouble sleeping anyway, so I don't think it's the caffeine that bothers me. It's delicious. That tastes like a milkshake. That's very dangerous. I have never seen it be so quiet in here. I mean, it's 8:15. And even Enchanted Rose was not very busy, but so crazy. Citricos is open. Just doesn't seem to be very many people at this resort right now, which is strange, but we're gonna pop in a basin and see if they have anything new. I wanna grab some bath bombs for the kids. Okay, I stopped at, let me make sure my little mic is on. Stopped at the Contemporary because I wanted to see, I just got this sweater. It's a Vineyard Vines one, and it was from BBG. And I wanted to see if they had one for my girlfriend because she liked it so much. So let's see what they have. Let's see. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. It was right here. Completely sold out. So I asked the lady at the counter and she said they didn't have any more. So, out of luck. But Mike is picking up quick service for Aaron. Then we're going to hop back on the monorail and head back to the Polynesian. Let's find him. Oh, wow. There's a bride right there. I almost didn't even see. How fun. Let's see if we can find Michael. Not over here?
They didn't have it?
It was completely empty. I even had the lady check at the counter and she's like,
Well, you know,
we're
they have a
sold
store
out.
Down in, they have a store
Disney
down in-
Spring, or yeah,
there.
yeah. I can't believe it's not ready yet.
This is the
Is it one of? No, that's all.
slowest on property. Yeah.
I know. Okay, so quick service here is taking longer than we anticipated, even though he already placed the order when we were on the monorail and said we were here, but it's still not ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop on the monorail and head back to the Polynesian and grab Mike some wine to head back to the room because I do not want to miss Happily Ever After from our balcony. Oh, and there's a monorail here now. I wonder if I can get on this one. That would be great if I could. Please, 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 please. Let us get on this monorail. I don't know. He doesn't seem like he wants to open it. Crap. Just missed it. Darn it. Just made it to Polynesian. Got about 15 minutes before Happily Ever After starts. So Mike's going to get his own wine and grab food for Noah. And I'm going to hightail it to the room so that way I can pop my bottle of Prosecco and enjoy Happily Ever After on my balcony. I should make it. I got plenty of time. I'm a pro. Sorry, our bar crawl turned into one crawl. Oh yeah, they're doing a Goofy movie on the lawn tonight. But I know I've showed you many a bar crawl before, so I can always link those if you're really missing Steakhouse 71 or Trader Sam's or Tambu Lounge. The sky looks really cool on the camera. Hopefully it comes out that way. But this is, so I just left the ceremonial house. This is the Oasis pool, which is the quote unquote like quiet pool. I am going to cut through Tokelau versus walking all the way around to get to Moria. They have all the fire like torches on. This is such a great resort, especially if you're going to do like a staycation and do a lot more resort time. There's just so much to do. Crafts and movies on the lawn and poolside activities and pools and the beach. I think there's sand volleyball out there. So this is Tokelau, which if you're not paying for a view, we prefer to stay in Tokelau. Just because it's more centralized. But as you'll see, we go out these doors and Morea's right here. Now Morea also has a benefit of having the laundry in it for DVC. So if you do laundry like we do, you don't have to trek it to a different building. And I'm gonna walk up the stairs on the side versus going to the front and hitting up an elevator. Because hey, what's a few more steps at Disney? And it's quicker. And I probably sound like I'm out of breath. Maybe I am. Maybe I need to work out some more. But I'm hightailing it. Oh, look, you see the castle from here. There's Tron. There's Space Mountain. Let's go in. have the same view from my balcony. If you don't have a stroller, it's nice that you can just walk up these stairs, kind of save you a little bit of time too. Electrical light pageant. We saw it come out, but it wasn't lit up yet. But I do actually see it. Oh, let's see if I can zoom in real quick. Oh, did it just turn off the lights? Oh no, I'm looking in the wrong place. There it is. Oh, I think this camera, that's as far as it zooms in. And it's kind of behind the bungalow right now. It's probably making its way over to the Contemporary. Okay, I have Happily Ever After queued up for the music. I have my Prosecco. Oops, let's see if I know how to use my camera. And I have the fireworks set up. Let's see. Whenever we're here and we see people in the bungalows, we're always like, those lucky rich people. We were just looking at how many points a night if you're DVC. It's like 130 something points a night. Like that is a full week stay at like I think what we're doing right now. Well, maybe not that long, but yeah, maybe at least 5 nights. I don't know, I forget how much this room is, especially because we have a lake view. That's my hotels is Mike's realm. He does hotels and airfare, and I do everything else. I actually prefer to watch it up here in the balcony versus the beach. I always think this has a better view because you're a little higher. I mean, yes, you don't have the music piped in, but then you're not also on the beach kind of fighting for or jockeying for position. Oh, I hear somebody's playing Pirates music. Oh. Oh, do they have it piped in? I think the ferry boat wants to be involved in tonight. There she goes. Tink. Okay, seriously, if you don't tear up or get emotional during this part, I want to know who has hurt you in your life. that is arguably the best fireworks show ever. I mean, like, what kind of view do we have for that? Amazing, absolutely amazing. And when they decide to retire this, I'm gonna definitely have some emotional trauma because I love it so much. And I almost even just love the soundtrack of it more than anything. So I guess I'll always have that, but yeah, it's just amazing. And I hear the electrical water pageant music, but I don't see it anywhere. Maybe the ferry boat section just plays this? I don't know. But looks like Mike is back with food, so I'm gonna enjoy my Prosecco inside. Thank you so much for following along on this short little vlog. Maybe it's not so short. I don't know how my editing is gonna be, but thank you so much. We have, let's see, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 more days left of our trip. So our friends arrive tomorrow, and then I'll see some other friends this weekend at our resort. So we'll see what kind of trouble we can get into, and hopefully you are enjoying your day. And thanks so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Go live your DisGoals. Bye.